Wikkelhouse produces prefabricated, beautiful houses, and we try to make them as sustainable as possible.
I'm Alejandro, and I'm basically the person building our application.
I would say the processes were not so automated. I think like everyone else in the world, we started with all the spreadsheets, tried to make them work, tried to keep all the spreadsheets up to date manually, struggled, but it kind of worked, but we aimed for better.
We are spreading the use of the application in the different areas of the company. So now we started with just a small section of the company, and the people involved in that section really like it, and those are the ones using it and coming with maybe an implementation or something that we could modify.
Try to keep things simple.
Maybe that you need to like it. It's a fun process, but it's a lot of work, and sometimes it can be also a bit frustrating, so you need to be patient, you need to give it some time, and then you start seeing the results.